Today's video topics are how to edit night photos like a pro in Photoshop. Go to Filter from the menu bar at the beginning. Click on the Camera Raw filter. Click on the Basic section. Reduce the temperature to -50. Next, decrease the tint to -20. Increase the exposure to +0.55. Increase the contrast to +15. Reduce highlights to -50. Increase the shadow to +60. Increase white to +14. Increase black to +15. Increase the texture to +30. Increase clarity to +25. Reduce the edge to -6. Increase vibrance to +30. Decrease the saturation to -16. Next, click on the curve. Increase highlights to +21. Increase dark to +15. Then click on the details section. Increase sharpening to 32. Next, click on the color mixer. Click on the Hue tab. Reduce red to -56. Increase aqua to +71. Reduce blue to -20. Increase purple to +10. Next, click on the saturation tab. Reduce red to -9. Reduce orange to -35. Increase blue to +55. Next, click on the luminance tab. Increase aqua to +10. Increase blue to +26. Next, click on color grading. From here, click on the shadow icon. Increase the hue to 247. Increase saturation to 15. Then click on the highlights icon. Increase hue to 40. Increase saturation to 21. Next, click on the calibration section. Increase tint to +11 from red primary. Increase hue to +61. Increase saturation to +50. Then from the blue primary, increase hue to +33. Reduce saturation to -22. Yes, done. Thanks for watching the video.